On my last trip to Japan, Tokyo, I have tried a dish called Kare Raisu. The process of making the curry was different. The flavor was different. It was truly exceptional. Hello beautiful people! Well, for today's lunch, I am gonna show you all the steps, the entire process, how to make a proper beef curry. Lovely people, follow my steps. So at first, we're gonna start by making the broth, the beef broth. On the braising pot, we're gonna add a bit of canola oil. So basically we need a non-flavored oil. We're gonna add some diced potatoes, some diced carrot, some diced onions, some diced celery as well. I am gonna add chuck meat. Chuck because it contains more fat. Then we're gonna mix the entire combination until the chuck is crisp and cooked. And then we're gonna pour some water. And then we're gonna leave it plus or minus for an hour and a half so the beef gets very, very tender. By the way, beautiful people, once the broth is boiling, don't forget to skim off the scum and fat from the broth. Now, we're gonna remove the carrots, potatoes, and beef, and we're gonna set them on the side. Wonderful people, have you ever tried this curry before? What is your favorite curry, by the way? Please leave me a comment and let me know. This is the time where I'm gonna teach you how to make the base of this curry, the essence. In a pan in a medium heat, we're gonna add some unsalted butter. We're gonna add a bit of flour, and then we're gonna mix the entire combination. Sometimes you need to adjust, add a bit of flour, a bit more butter, because you want the texture to be basically a sort of paste. It is very important to make a dark roux, as you can see in this video. There's two different things. The white roux is basically always give you a whitish color, while you make the dark roux, it gives you a more darkish color. And this is the way how you make a Japanese curry. This is the time where we're gonna add the curry powder. I am using a mild curry. Look, there is three types of curry powder that you can buy from the market. There is the mild, spicy, and hot. Oh my goodness, once you add this curry roux, you start smelling all those flavors. Oh my god, that's so good. Now you're gonna set them on the side. Have you ever been to Japan? What was your favorite dish? Please leave me a comment and let me know. Now everything is almost ready. This is where we're gonna start making the Kare Raisu. In a medium heat, we're gonna add some butter, some finely chopped onions, one garlic clove. Do you know why I've added a clove of garlic, not finely chopped garlic? Because to be honest with you, I don't really like this strong flavor of garlic with this dish. In my preferences, I just like it to have a lightish flavor in a certain way. Some grated red apple. Adding the grated apple will give it a certain sweetness, which I'm looking for. We're gonna mix the entire combination until everything properly softens. This is the time where we're gonna add the roux curry paste. All right, we're gonna mix a little bit. And then we're gonna start adding the beef broth bit by bit, as you can see in front of you. Once everything is properly combined, we're gonna add the sugar because we're gonna make it just a little bit sweet, a bit of soya sauce. Then we're gonna simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes, plus or minus. And this is where we're gonna add the entire combination in a fine strainer. By the way, beautiful people, I had a delicious curry in Abu Dhabi. Do you wanna check out the vlog? Do you wanna try it? I will add the link in the card over there. The Kare Raisu is an extremely popular dish for all ages in Japan. And it is considered one of the country's national dishes along with the ramen and gyoza. Then again, we're gonna mix the entire combination while adding the braised beef and vegetables together. Finally, the beef curry is always served with the jasmine rice on the side. I'm sure if you have never made this curry before, you're truly gonna love it. It's truly exceptional. It's different from all the curries you have ever tried in your life. From the Thai curry, from the Indian curry, it is truly exquisite. Wonderful people, you wanna check out my Japan vlogs? Oh my god, I had a lot of fun. There was a lot of really interesting food over there. Crazy adventure. I am gonna place the link for the vlogs in the card over there. Beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, as usual. We'll see you very soon. Ciao!